Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on a laptop. To get started quickly, simply plug your controller into your laptop using a micro USB cable. Most Windows operating systems will automatically detect the device within a few seconds, installing any required drivers in the background. Your controller's light bar will illuminate, indicating a successful connection, and it should be ready for use in games that support gamepads. If you prefer to play wirelessly, Bluetooth is your best option. First, hold down the PlayStation button and the share button on your controller for about 5 seconds until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. On your laptop, open your Bluetooth settings, search for new devices, and select wireless controller when it appears. Once paired, the light bar will glow a steady blue, signifying a stable connection, providing you with untethered gameplay. For advanced control and broader game compatibility, consider using a third-party application like DS4 Windows. This free software allows your PS4 controller to emulate an Xbox 360 controller, which many PC games natively support. It provides extensive customization options, letting you remap buttons, fine-tune stick sensitivity, and even manage profiles for different games. This ensures a seamless and personalized gaming experience across a wide range of titles. If you experience any connection problems, a simple restart of both your laptop and the controller often resolves them. Always ensure your controller has sufficient charge. A fully charged controller offers several hours of uninterrupted gameplay. Additionally, check for any controller firmware updates through your PlayStation console periodically. Following these simple practices will help maintain a reliable connection and a consistently enjoyable gaming experience on your laptop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.